Trying to decide between Trade the Pool's Flex and Max program? Both are great options, but they cater to different trading styles. In this video, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the program that's right for you. Let's get started. Here's how the Flex and the Max programs stack up. First, the trading period. Under Flex, you have an unlimited time to pass the evaluation. In the Max, only 60-day trading period. Profit target. Both programs have a 6% profit target. The minimum trades. The Flex, 10 minimum trades. The Max, 20 trades minimum. Consistency rule. In the Flex, you got a 50% consistency rule during evaluation. In the Max, 30% consistency rule during evaluation. No consistency rule once funded. Entry fees. The Flex starts at $59. The Max at $47. Both programs also offer, of course, the free trading boosters, the real-time market data, and no PDT restrictions. So which program is right for you? If you value flexibility and an unlimited time, go for the Flex program. If you preferred a more structured approach with lower consistency rules, the Max program is your best bet. Whichever you choose, Trade the Pool has you covered. So start your trading journey today. What are you waiting for?